Hello. So this time I'm going to explain you Astley's bend. So Astley's bend is something that joins two ropes. That is needless to explain you. As I have already told you, the bend is to join two ropes together to increase its length, right? So let's see how Astley's bend is made. So you have to take a rope like this, another rope like this, and you have to form an underhand loop. Underhand loop is formed like this. This is underhand loop. So this is taken and it is put under. From your side it is looking to be above, but from my side it is under. So I am turning it towards you to show how it is underhand. So underhand loop is formed in this manner, and you have to repeat the same loop with the help of this blue rope. So I'm taking, you have to get inside this loop, and then you have to form the underhand loop. Underhand, once again, I'm showing you from my side. You have to go below this blue one like this, two ropes, and both of them have got underhand loops. You have to put these two ends together into the common loop. This is the common loop. So when you enter, it is formed like this. Look at this. It is formed like this, and then you have to tighten it. Once it is tightened, it looks like this. Hope it is clearly visible to you. Now Astley's bend is formed. Astley's bend is formed. These two ropes will be on one side of the rope joint like this. Alright? So hopefully you understood it very well. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with me.